Make sure we don't miss anything. Looks like just a very big open room. Holy crap.
Let him go! Brave boy. Are you used to having such orders obeyed?
That's another one of the intro characters.
Then we must break you of such rudeness.
Run! The lady placed her faith in me and I failed!
While we live, we have not failed. Take care, warrior. I am not bound before you. You shall soon wish you were.
By the love of ancients, run! The Castellan is unbeatable!
Save your strength. I shall soon have you free.
Take care. It's his armor. You cannot.
Silence! What this fool would tell you is this. The Warlord himself crafted my armor. The dark slag empowers it. No magic, no weapon may find its mark upon my flesh. And if dull words make mine armor, you are invisible. Enough! This one dies first, then you.
No, wait!
Oh, come on.
Butcher, if you want death, fight me.
You know what we're gonna use? Uh-huh. Not so invincible now. Ah! Holy crap. Nice.
You are nothing now, Castellan. But that good man lives on in my memory.
Alright. So now what? It's another... That was pretty cool. Just taking a look around here. And there's nothing interesting. So what's in here? No, that's not what I wanted. Let's try that again. First, put this in our hand, and we pick it up. Look at that! Copper containing the dark slag. You know what this means, don't you? I guess we have to go to the Anvil of Dawn. And then we're finished. So let's head towards the Anvil. Let's check our journal. Yeah, there's actually a journal, but I never actually looked at it. I must make haste to the Anvil of Dawn. And that's it. We are almost done with the entire game. I'm sorry that Fire Mountain took hundreds of videos. That was pretty embarrassing. I like the part where I died 7 times in a row. You just take a portal out. And we want to head back this way, which means first I want to. This is the blue one, is the man altar, I think. I want to restore my mana, and I have to make sure I have what I. Did I forget my bag of rocks? Oh, it doesn't matter, I guess. Yes. I never use this. Okay, I guess I can ditch this. I mean, I'm not going to use anything in it. I need this. It's all good. Now I take the portal. Down to Fire Mountain. Because the anvil is on the other side of that. Thrusting, I guess. I don't know. There. She's still down there. Maybe I can just, sure I have some rocks here. Oh, what's in this? Not much. Let's take out this lady blocking the exit. Oh god, it's one of these things. And it's dead. Now we have to hop across the ice floes. We do have the word of passage, or whatever it is, to get into the Anvil of Dawn. Let's talk to this guy. We have the
I have
words.
returned with the ancient words of opening.
Then speak them.
Ares, Berthold, Enigmas, Valorets. I'll be on my way.
The Anvil of Dawn
I'll be on my way.
awaits.
Hell yeah. Oh, great. You know what this is? It's an invisible wall maze.
Not the test of brawn today. Patience and skill will win the day. Span by 9 span is the field of play. Walls unseen are placed to block your way.
That's annoying. Very annoying.